If you're moving from Long Island to coastal North Carolina, just like I did, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is underestimating insurance. So a lot of buyers, they look at the home price, the property taxes, and the mortgage payment. Then they just assume insurance is just another basic number. And down here, that could be a huge mistake. If we haven't met yet, my name is Dennis Murphy, and I made the same exact move from Long Island myself. And now I help people just like you move from New York and other high-cost states to make this move the right way. And I can tell you straight, North Carolina can absolutely be cheaper than Long Island, but not if you buy the wrong house with the wrong insurance setup for you. So the first issue is flood insurance. A standard homeowner's policy does not cover flood damage. Flood insurance is separate. So if the property is in a flood risk area, your lender will require it. And if you wait too long to look into it, you can create problems for yourself real fast. So if you're looking near the water, near the coast, or anywhere with flood exposure, do not wait until the last minute to ask what flood insurance is going to look like. The second issue is wind and hail. So this is where a lot of Long Island buyers get caught off guard. In some coastal areas, wind and hail coverage may not be fully built into the main homeowner's policy. And that can mean a separate policy and a separate deductible. So now you're not looking at one simple insurance number. You may be looking at homeowner's insurance, flood insurance, and wind coverage as separate pieces. And that changes the monthly cost fast. The third issue is condos and townhomes. A lot of buyers think a condo is easier because the HOA has a master policy. Sometimes that helps, but it doesn't mean you're fully covered. You may still need your own unit policy, and you may still have exposure if there's a large deductible or assessment after the storm. So no, an HOA does not automatically make the insurance side simple. And the biggest mistake I see of all is timing. So people shop for the house first, get emotionally attached, and ask about insurance after. And that's backwards. The right way to understand the insurance picture early, before you get too deep into the deal, because the real number is not just a mortgage, it is the full ownership cost. And that means price, taxes, homeowner's insurance, flood insurance, wind coverage, HOA costs, and a deductible exposure. And that's the number that matters. So when I help people from Long Island move to coastal North Carolina, I'm not just helping them find a house, I'm helping them understand what that house is really going to cost once everything is on the table. Because the goal is not to get down here and hope it works. The goal is to know exactly what you're buying before you buy the house. So I made the same move, like I said before. I understand where people are making their mistakes in their decision process, and I'm here to help people like you make sure you don't make that same mistake. So let's get on a call. I do a relocation planning call. All my contact information is in the video description. Let's talk it out, find the right town, the right price range, the right everything, because it's not just about finding a house, it's about finding your desired lifestyle. So I'm always here for you. I'm from Long Island, you're from Long Island. I got your back. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.